Hi, my name is Becca Weston, and my piece is called Des Oiseaux, which means birds in French. I was inspired to write a piece about birds because of Rose's ability to make bird sounds. The text of the first movement is a compilation of thoughts I found on Twitter, and the text of the second movement is an Emily Dickinson poem. Thank you, Rose, for all of the work you put into this piece, and I hope you enjoy.
I wish I was a bird, so I could fly far from here. Yes, one bird, two broken wings. Some people are not an early bird or a night owl. They are just a permanently exhausted pigeon. Oh, if I was just a bird, oh, I'd simply sit on clouds. Why do I keep waking up? And birds don't make a sound. The bird is having fun. Birds wake up each day and scream at the sky. Nice. Birds are so cool.